Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva product mockups for e-commerce branding, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type mockup and select one of the product mockup options that appear. Browse through the available templates and choose a mockup that suits your branding style. Click on the selected mockup to open it in the Canva editor. Now, familiarize yourself with the editor interface, which includes a toolbar on the left and a workspace in the center. To personalize your mockup, click on the existing product image in the mockup template. You can replace the product image by selecting Uploads from the left sidebar. Upload your own product image by clicking the Upload an Image or Video button. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto the mockup and adjust its size and position as needed. Next, you may want to change the background of your mockup to match your brand colors. Click on the background area of the mockup and select a new color from the color options provided. You can also insert text by clicking on the text option in the left sidebar. Choose a text style and drag it onto your design. Edit the text to include your brand name or any other relevant information. Adjust the size, font, and color of the text to ensure it aligns with your brand identity. After you're satisfied with the mockup, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG, from the drop-down menu. Finally, click on the Download button to save the mockup to your device. You can now use this mockup for your e-commerce branding efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.